Welcome. Today we're diving into the day in the life of a truly unique profession, challenging our assumptions along the way. We often have preconceived notions about what different jobs entail, especially those outside our immediate industry. The goal is to foster perspective taking, increase empathy, and ultimately improve our team understanding. Our spotlight today is on an advanced manufacturing engineer in a high-tech facility, a role filled with complexity many of us might underestimate. Let's explore the reality of what their day looks like, beyond the hard hats and machinery. The morning starts not just with machinery checks, but complex data analysis and problem solving to optimize production flows. Midday involves tackling unpredictable system failures, requiring deep diagnostic skills, not just simple fixes, a truly high-stakes challenge. The afternoon shifts to heavy collaboration, working cross-functionally with R&D and operations to implement design improvements in real time. Now for the big reveal, the assumption we had about this role that was completely shattered. We might assume their work is purely mechanical, involving repetitive tasks, simple repairs, and very little high-level strategic input. The reality is that their day is dominated by complex data modeling, intricate problem solving, and cross-disciplinary communication. It's highly intellectual work. This assumption existed simply due to our lack of contextual understanding about the specialized knowledge and data-driven nature of modern manufacturing. How does this lesson apply to our own team and the assumptions we hold about each other's roles? Just as we misjudge the engineer, we likely simplify the daily tasks of our own teammates, overlooking hidden complexities and strategic contributions. Consider a simple task, like updating our project dashboard. We might assume it's just administrative data entry. But the reality is that this person is performing critical data integrity checks, risk assessments, and ensuring cross-functional clarity. It's highly demanding. Let's conclude by focusing on the core takeaways of empathy and understanding. Perspective taking is vital. By seeking to truly understand each other's work, we foster better communication and collaboration. Take a moment today to ask a teammate about the complexity of their simple tasks. Building internal empathy is our shared superpower.